rare NFT listed around floor price. So you can see this one is having current price 8.88, which is like $14,000. Holy shit. And you can see the properties. The gold, the body gold 0.01% have this trade. Check type, one by one, 1% have this trade. Black Tox 21, this cloth is common. The eye is also common, the ivory is also common. Again, there is headwear, green Dubai, which is like 1% this trade. So there's like three this shade, like 1%, 1%, this is like 0.01%. That's like so rare in the whole collection, like almost so rare. There's another one listed for 7. Eat. This is not much rare as far I can see, but maybe it has some beneficial, extra beneficial, maybe. So yeah, it doesn't mean if that's like high price, if the listed for high price, it doesn't mean that of course it will be rare. Okay, so you must check it out before buying actually, because some people actually just list it for high price, though it's a common one. So this is also, I'll say, average, and this is good. Body gray pointed head, this is like 2%. Check type one by one, this is only 1%. So that's how you can check out the varieties also to know the value of the NFT. So yeah, um, and below, so there's lots of collection every day. So let's go to some notable collections. Let's see how this is going. This is really the access passes. Items are 3,500, 5% credit owning. Shili, also known as Basi 672, is the world's first community produced recording artist, a digital performer powered by a community of musicians, storytellers, and die-hard fans. Chile Access passes are the only way into this new kind of Web3 music community, one where the earliest supporters are not just fans but also collaborators who can co-write music with Chile's band, license their NFTs to be part of Chile's story and content, and have a say on everything from which songs he drops to what tattoos he rocks to whether he should have a love affair with Courtney Cox. Is the community's artist, and the artist is the community in collaboration with probably a level and Warner record powered by Volta, Axis Pass, and by Alex Marsity. Okay, so this seems very interesting and very promising. And the current total volume is 484 ETH, which is pretty nice. And the floor price 0.05. The best offer, sorry, 5.9, and best offer is 5.5. There's like 2,000 owners. If we go to the activity, we can actually see there's like 9 minutes ago, 18 minutes ago, 19 minutes ago. So that's like pretty good. And as they're just passes, so maybe this all